Okay guys, this is the second part. We are going to simplify some E and ln expressions. Remember, we want to get E and ln together so that they can cancel out. Here I've got E raised to the ln of 7, E and ln, those cancel, and I'm left with a 7. For the next one, remember ln is just a log, and logs allow us to pull exponents down in front. This turns into 5 times ln of E, and if you recall, ln of E is equal to 1. 5 times 1 is just 5. Again, looking back at the original, the ln and E cancel, and 5 is your final answer. So there's a couple ways you can look at that. Now I want you to recognize the difference between questions 4 and 5 and see what happens when we have these parentheses here. I have to do what's inside first. ln of E is equal to 1. 1 raised to the 5th power, that's a value of 1. So again, notice the difference between 4 and 5 and what those parentheses do. Question 6, E and ln, they're not together. I've got this 2 blocking the way. So I'm going to do the opposite of what I normally do with a log. Normally I pull the exponent down, but here I'm going to pop it right back up. So I'm going to rewrite this as E raised to the ln of 3 squared. So now that 2 is out of the way, now my E and ln cancel. I'm left with 3 squared, which of course is 9. So that whole thing simplifies to a 9. Lastly, I have an ln and an E. They're not together. I've got a 5 blocking the way. If you recall, ln of a product can be broken up into the addition of 2 ln's. ln of 5 plus ln of E. Now again, here's a special quantity. ln of E is just a 1. So I'm just going to rewrite this. This turns into a 1. So 1 plus ln of 5. And that's it.